Today we're heading into Dovestone Reservoir and up to the Trinnacle. So I'm excited to see the Trinnacle. The weather is looking terrible this weekend, but I'm being positive and I'm gonna think that it's dry and it's not gonna rain, and I'm gonna be optimistic. Nice of you to finally join us.
Hey.
Trying to find the Trinnacle, which we think is up there. That's where we're heading. Probably about half a mile away. The heavens are about to open. The rain found us before we found the Trinnacle. Never mind. What's a bit of rain? Whoa, that's hail. So we found it. This is the Trinnacle.